Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the simplest way to change servers in Valorant on PC. Let's get started. Valorant automatically connects to your server built on your account's region. Your server affects your ping and matchmaking, so changing it can improve your game experience. To change your server, open browser and go to official Riot game website. Log in using the same Riot account you use for Valorant. This is important because server regions are tied to your account. Once you are in, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Then click on settings, click on account details. Here you can see which server your account is currently connected to. You can only change your server if Riot allows a region transfer for your account. If you are eligible, you will see a button like transfer region. Click it, select the new region you want and confirm. Riot may charge a small fee for the transfer and your rank will reset for that reason. After the transfer is complete, open Valorant on your PC. The game will now connect to the new server automatically. You can check your ping in the top right corner to make sure you are on the right server. And that's it. You have successfully changed your server in Valorant on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.